Hello, thank you for joining me today. My name is Devon, and I am going to show you how to make your links clickable in your Canvas course so that it's easy for your students to navigate throughout your course. So the first thing is to come to Pages, View All Pages. You can add a page if you're doing a brand new one, but I am going to go to an example page that I made earlier for a different video showing how to make a weekly menu board. If you have not viewed that video, please go check it out. If you would like some examples on how to make a weekly menu board for your little ones, I teach kindergarten, so I've shared a video on that with images, but you could also just take that out and add in your words for the upper students. So for example, if this is your menu board, you would come to edit. And like I said, go check out my video on making a weekly menu board if you would like to know how to do one. Okay, so once you get to your page, you will click on, for example, Classwork. I clicked it and it gets highlighted blue. And then you would just come over. I have modules set up. So if my classwork for the day, I would just come down and choose where I want it to go. If I wanted to connect to the math unit module, I would put it there, and you see it highlights, it blinks, letting you know that is now connected to that module. Same thing for homework. If I have a homework assignment, I could come over and click to the page or the assignment. It highlights, and I know that it's connected. And the same thing for your online meeting links. You would just connect it so that the students can automatically come and find what they need to do for that day. And then you just hit publish and save. Mine is already published because it's just one I made for example. And so then when you come back, if your students click on classwork, so you teach them, okay, Monday we're going to click on classwork. When they click on classwork, that image, it will take them to the assignment for that day. And there you can see there's their modules all set up to do. I normally connect my modules to the first page. That way, once the students come in, it'll automatically start for the day. So that is just a quick example for you on how to connect the links for your students so that they can navigate the course easily. If you come over here to student view, you can see that I have set up some classes. So if they click on it, it will take them to my menu board. And then they can just click on the day. So this one is going across Monday through Friday, but I also have one made going down. I think if you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday going down, and then they just click across, that it will probably be easier than this one because this one they have to scroll down. So that is just a quick way of how to add in your links. And like I said, the student will just find the day and click on the link, and it will take them to that page that they need to work on, or that module, or that assignment, whatever it is that you have added to that day. You can add in a picture image for quizzes, and then they just click the quizzes, whatever you think will be helpful for your students to use for that week.